the stove and the fuel tank here. It's on here. You can see the flame there. It's gonna make some coffee here. We had a little raccoon invasion last night. They opened the cooler, took a look, didn't see anything they liked, and they ate all the hamburger buns. Guess they didn't like raw hamburgers, I guess.
What's the name of the camp?
This is camp Eastern Long Island Kampground, also known as Wee Wee Haka Camp, land of the mighty mosquito. And everybody's gone except our neighbors over there. And there's trees, and there's woods, and over there there's woods, and there's a tent. It's got some moisture on it. It's been a moist weekend.
Pan out here. Let's get a shot. Coming in. Terrible camera work here. Anyhow, this is our site. W5. There's the tent.